to a world where creativity meets the mermaid magic. We're kicking things off with a collection of stunning mermaid-inspired nail art ideas that sparkle with every movement. Shimmering blues, pearly finishes, iridescent glitters, delicate seashell details, and tiny ocean-inspired accents come together to create designs that look like they were inspired by treasures hidden beneath the waves. Some manicures are bold and dazzling, while others have a soft, elegant charm, proving there's a mermaid look for every style and every occasion. Whether you're dreaming of summer, planning a beach vacation, or simply love fantasy-inspired beauty, these enchanting nail designs are sure to inspire your next manicure and bring a little ocean magic to your fingertips. Who knew keeping track of time could look this beautiful? This stunning seashell clock combines coastal charm with elegant design in the most eye-catching way. Every shell is carefully arranged and beautifully preserved beneath a crystal-clear, glossy finish, creating the illusion of tiny ocean treasures frozen in time. The layered textures and natural shapes give the piece a rich, organic feel, while the smooth resin surface adds a modern, glass-like shine. As the light moves across it, soft reflections shimmer and shift, making the entire design feel almost alive. It's the kind of decor that instantly becomes a centerpiece in any room, effortlessly drawing attention without feeling overwhelming. At the same time, it brings a calming beach atmosphere that feels peaceful and refreshing. Functional, creative, and absolutely mesmerizing. This is a perfect reminder that even everyday objects can be transformed into true works of art with just a little imagination, patience, and creativity. Why choose an ordinary room when you can turn it into your own little underwater paradise? These colorful, mermaid-inspired decorations instantly make the space feel brighter, cozier, and full of personality. From shimmering accents to dreamy pastel shades, every detail adds a touch of fantasy that's impossible to ignore. It's amazing how a few creative ideas can completely transform the atmosphere, making even the simplest corner feel fresh and magical. The best part is how all the different elements work together. Pearly finishes, ocean-inspired colors, and playful decorations create a look that's both fun and relaxing. Whether you're decorating a bedroom, a creative workspace, or just looking for inspiration to refresh your favorite spot, these ideas prove that you don't need a complete makeover to achieve a stunning result. Sometimes a few imaginative touches are all it takes to bring a little bit of mermaid magic into your everyday life. Let's take a short break from the ocean and look up at the night sky. This beautiful moon-inspired creation is a perfect example of how something simple can become truly mesmerizing. As the design comes together, delicate textures and shimmering details give it the look of a real lunar surface. The glossy finish catches the light beautifully, making every angle a little different from the last. Whether displayed on a shelf, hung on a wall, or gifted to someone special, this celestial decor adds a calm, dreamy atmosphere to any space. It's elegant, unique, and a wonderful reminder that inspiration can come from both the sea and the stars. Who doesn't love a little sparkle? This dazzling disco ball-inspired sculpture proves that reflective details never go out of style. Piece by piece, the surface transforms into a brilliant mosaic that catches the light from every direction, creating that iconic shimmering effect we all instantly recognize. As more reflective elements are added, the entire piece begins to come alive, almost as if it's glowing with its own energy. The way it interacts with light makes it especially mesmerizing. Every small movement changes the reflections, giving it a dynamic, almost hypnotic look. Whether it's displayed as party decor, a centerpiece, or simply used to brighten up a room, this eye-catching creation adds energy, glamour, and plenty of personality. Sometimes, all it takes is a little shine and texture to turn an ordinary decoration into something truly unforgettable. Imagine ending your day beneath a peaceful sky without ever leaving your bedroom. This idea transforms your space into truly magical, where soft clouds seem to float above you. Gentle lighting plays a huge role here, casting a warm glow that makes everything feel softer and more relaxing. Combined with fluffy textures and carefully chosen pastel tones, the ceiling begins to look like an endless sky stretching far beyond the room itself. What makes this idea so special is how immersive it feels. It's not just decoration, it's an experience. The entire space becomes a personal escape, perfect for unwinding after a long day, reading a book in silence, or simply lying back and enjoying the calming view above you. Even small details make a big difference, from the way the light reflects off the surfaces to how the cloud shapes are arranged to feel natural and soft. Everything works together to build a soothing environment that feels both creative and comforting. Sometimes the most beautiful views are the ones you create yourself. Who says cement and gypsum are only meant for construction sites and heavy-duty work? With just a little imagination, these simple, everyday materials can be transformed into stunning home decor pieces that look modern, stylish, and surprisingly high-end. And what makes this even more exciting is how effortless these transformations can feel when you see them come to life on screen. Throughout this collection, you'll notice one creative idea after another, each showing just how versatile these materials really are. From smooth, minimal surfaces to bold, textured finishes, every project highlights a different way to turn something raw and industrial into something elegant and decorative. It's amazing how such simple materials can create such a strong visual impact. One of the most satisfying parts of these crafts is watching plain, shapeless mixtures slowly turn into structured, beautiful objects. At first, everything looks basic and unrefined. But as the process continues, clean edges, defined shapes, and artistic textures begin to appear. That transformation alone is what makes these projects so mesmerizing to watch. From minimalist planters that fit perfectly into modern interiors to decorative trays that look like they belong in a designer store, every piece has its own unique personality. Some designs lean towards soft, natural aesthetics, while others embrace bold, sculptural forms that instantly draw attention. No matter the style, each creation feels intentional and thoughtfully designed. The neutral tones of cement and gypsum also play a big role in their appeal. Shades of gray, white, and soft beige create a timeless foundation that works beautifully in almost any space. These colors don't overpower a room. Instead, they blend in effortlessly while still adding character and depth. Combined with different textures and finishes, the result is always visually interesting without feeling overwhelming. These handmade pieces are especially perfect for interiors inspired by modern, Scandinavian, or natural design styles. They pair beautifully with wooden furniture, green plants, soft textiles, and warm ambient lighting. Even a single handmade object can completely change the mood of a space, making it feel more personal, cozy, and thoughtfully decorated. What makes these projects even more exciting is how customizable they are. You can keep the surface smooth and polished for a clean, minimalist look, or experiment with rough textures for a more artistic, handcrafted feel. Some designs even include painted accents, metallic highlights, or subtle decorative details that completely change the final appearance. And that's where creativity really comes into play. There are no strict rules. Every piece can be adapted, modified, and personalized depending on your own style. That freedom is what makes working with these materials so enjoyable and endlessly inspiring. It's also fascinating to see how something that initially seems so ordinary can turn into a decorative statement piece. A simple mold, a basic mixture, and a bit of patience are all it takes to create something that looks like it came from a high-end design studio. It's a powerful reminder that creativity often comes from reimagining the materials we already have around us. These kinds of DIY home decor ideas also show that you don't need expensive supplies to achieve beautiful results. Instead, it's about experimenting, trying new textures, and discovering unexpected combinations. Sometimes the simplest ideas end up looking the most elegant once they're finished. By the end of this section, it becomes clear that cement and gypsum are far more than just construction materials. They're creative tools with endless potential. Whether used for functional decor or purely artistic pieces, they offer a unique way to bring modern, handmade beauty into everyday spaces. And as we move forward, the creativity doesn't stop here. There are still more inspiring ideas ahead, each one showing a different way to turn imagination into something you can actually see, touch, and display in your home. This time, the spotlight is on polymer clay and epoxy resin. Two incredibly versatile materials that open the door to almost endless possibilities. Whether you enjoy making accessories, decorating your home, or simply love watching satisfying transformations, this collection has something for everyone. One of the most exciting things about these crafts is their incredible variety. No two projects look exactly alike, and that's what keeps every new creation interesting. One moment you're looking at delicate miniature details, and the next, you're admiring bold decorative pieces with glossy finishes that look almost professionally made. Polymer clay is perfect for bringing imaginative ideas to life. It can be shaped into almost anything, making it a favorite among artists and DIY enthusiasts alike. From elegant decorative accents to playful miniature designs, Every project shows just how much creativity can fit into the smallest details. Watching each piece gradually take shape is incredibly satisfying, especially as tiny textures and carefully crafted elements begin to appear. Then there's epoxy resin, a material that's almost magical in its own way. Its crystal clear finish instantly adds depth and shine, making colors appear brighter and decorative elements look beautifully preserved beneath a smooth surface. Whether it's paired with glitter, dried flowers, shimmering pigments, or colorful designs, resin always creates a polished and eye-catching result. As these materials come together, the possibilities become even more impressive. Matte surfaces contrast beautifully with glossy finishes, creating projects that feel both elegant and modern. It's amazing how different textures can completely change the appearance of a handmade creation. One of the best parts of watching craft compilations like this is the constant sense of surprise. Just when you think you've seen every possible idea, another unique project appears with a completely different style. Some creations are inspired by nature, featuring delicate flowers, leaves, and soft, earthy colors. Others embrace bright shades, sparkling finishes, and bold artistic patterns that immediately grab your attention. Every project has its own personality. Some feel playful and colorful, while others have a sophisticated, minimalist look that would fit beautifully into almost any home. This variety makes the entire compilation enjoyable from beginning to end because there's always something new to discover. Tiny decorative details often make the biggest difference. A little shimmer here, a glossy finish there, or an unexpected color combination can completely transform a simple object into something extraordinary. It's proof that creativity often lives in the smallest touches. Watching these transformations is also incredibly relaxing. There's something satisfying about seeing individual elements gradually come together until everything suddenly makes sense. What begins as separate pieces slowly turns into a finished creation that looks polished, complete, and ready to display. Many of these ideas can easily become thoughtful, handmade gifts. Personalized decorations always carry a little extra meaning because they're created with time, care, and imagination. Whether it's a unique ornament, a decorative accessory, or a stylish keepsake, handmade creations often become treasured memories for the people who receive them. Home decor is another area where these materials truly shine. Small decorative pieces can completely refresh a shelf, brighten a workspace, or add personality to an otherwise ordinary room. Sometimes you don't need a complete makeover to change the atmosphere. A few carefully chosen handmade accents can make a surprisingly big impact. Of course, creativity isn't about making everything perfect. Every artist develops their own style over time. And that's exactly what makes handmade projects so special. Small differences, unexpected textures, and unique color choices give each creation its own charm. Instead of trying to copy someone else's work exactly, these crafts encourage you to experiment and discover ideas that reflect your own imagination. It's also inspiring to see how ordinary materials can become something completely unexpected. Supplies that might seem simple at first are transformed into elegant decorations, artistic accessories, and beautiful display pieces. That's one of the reasons DIY projects continue to inspire millions of people around the world. They remind us that creativity doesn't depend on expensive tools or complicated techniques. Sometimes all it takes is a good idea and the willingness to try something new. Another reason these projects are so enjoyable is that they're constantly evolving. New color combinations, artistic styles, and decorative trends continue to appear, giving creators endless inspiration. Every compilation introduces fresh ideas that encourage viewers to look at familiar materials from a completely different perspective. Perhaps that's the real magic of crafting. It's not only about the finished result, but also about the journey from a simple concept to a beautiful creation. Every stage has its own charm, and every completed project represents imagination brought to life. By now, you've seen a wonderful collection of colorful designs, sparkling finishes, fantasy-inspired decorations, stylish home decor, and clever artistic ideas. Hopefully, at least one of these creations has inspired you to start your own creative adventure or simply reminded you how enjoyable handmade art can be. Which project was your favorite? Was it the magical mermaid tail, the shimmering seashell manicure, the elegant epoxy clock, the dreamy room decor, the glowing moon, the dazzling disco ball sculpture, the peaceful cloud ceiling, the stylish cement creations, or one of these amazing polymer clay and resin projects? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear which idea inspired you the most. If you enjoyed spending time with us today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves DIY projects as much as you do. And if you're always looking for fresh inspiration, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another collection of fun crafts, creative hacks, and satisfying